Have you ever wondered what the future of music holds? Could artificial intelligence be the next Mozart or Beethoven? Welcome to the dawn of a new era, where the melodies that move us and the harmonies that captivate us are being crafted not just by human hands, but also by algorithms and artificial intelligence. In the realm of music, AI is no longer just a supporting act. It's stepping into the spotlight, composing pieces that echo the masters of classical music, jazz, and even modern electronic music. This revolution is not just about replacing human composers, but about augmenting their potential, expanding the boundaries of what's possible in music. But how does a machine compose music? How does it understand rhythm, melody, and tone? Well, it all starts with machine learning and deep learning models, which are trained on vast libraries of music. These AI models learn to identify patterns and structures, essentially learning the language of music. They can then use this knowledge to create new original compositions. And the result? Well, if you listen to a piece of music composed by AI, you might be surprised. The compositions can be complex, emotive, and incredibly human-like in their construction. It's a testament to just how far artificial intelligence has come, and a glimpse into a future where AI could play a central role in the creative process. Yet the rise of AI in music is not without controversy. Can a machine truly understand the emotional weight of a piece of music? Can it replicate the soul and passion that a human composer brings to their work? These are questions that continue to spark debate among musicians, technologists, and music lovers alike. But regardless of where you stand in this debate, one thing is clear. AI is here, and it's changing the way we create, experience, and think about music. So as we step into this brave new world, we invite you to open your ears, your minds, and your hearts to the possibilities that AI brings to the music industry. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of AI-generated music. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a tech geek, or just curious about the future, there's a seat for you in this symphony of innovation. When we think of music, we often picture a human artist pouring their soul into every note. But how does a machine devoid of emotion create music? Artificial intelligence, or AI, uses a process called machine learning to generate music. Machine learning is a subset of AI that provides systems the ability to learn from data and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. In the context of music, AI systems are trained using vast datasets of musical compositions, spanning across a myriad of genres. These datasets can include everything from classical symphonies of Mozart to the electrifying beats of contemporary electronic music. The AI system analyzes these compositions, studying the underlying patterns, rhythms, and structures, essentially learning the language of music. Now you might wonder, how does AI actually create the music? Well, the answer lies in neural networks. These are a series of algorithms that are designed to recognize patterns and are mimicking in their structure a real human brain. They interpret the sensory data they are given pretty much like it is being done in our human nervous system. In music, these neural networks create a mathematical representation of the data they've been trained on, capturing the essence of different musical styles. Then they use this representation to generate original compositions, note by note, chord by chord. But it's not just about replicating what's been done before. Some AI music systems can also generate completely new and unique compositions. They do this by introducing randomness into the process, ensuring the output isn't just a regurgitation of the input, but a creative reinterpretation. The key to all of this is data. The more music data the AI has to learn from, the better its compositions will be. This is because the AI gains a deeper understanding of the complexities and nuances of music the more it is exposed to. So, with enough data and the right algorithms, AI can mimic human creativity in music. This opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine a future where AI assists in creating new original soundtracks for films or generates personalized playlists based on your mood. The future of music is here, and it's being shaped by AI. Music, they say, is a universal language. Let's listen to what AI has to say. Artificial intelligence has been busy. It's been learning, absorbing, interpreting, and now it's ready to perform. From classical to jazz, electronic and beyond, AI's repertoire is as diverse as it is intriguing. Our first stop on this auditory journey is a classical piece. The AI, having studied countless compositions from the likes of Beethoven and Mozart, presents us with an elegant symphony. Listen to those strings, the complex harmonies, the soaring melodies. It's as if our digital maestro has breathed new life into the old masters. There's a distinct digital twist, a freshness that's hard to put into words yet undeniably present. Next, we dive into the world of jazz, a genre where improvisation reigns supreme. Here, the AI surprises us with its ability to capture the unpredictability and spontaneity characteristic of jazz music. It's a fascinating blend of mathematical precision and creative freedom, a testament to AI's ability to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. Moving on, we find ourselves in the realm of electronic music. This genre, already so intertwined with technology, seems to be a natural playground for AI. And indeed, the AI does not disappoint. Synths pulse, beats drop, all meticulously crafted by lines of code. It's a track that could easily find its way into a DJ's set list, further blurring the line between human and AI creation. These examples, each unique, yet equally impressive, demonstrate AI's capabilities in music composition. But it's not just about the technical prowess. As we listen, we realize that it's also about the emotion, the feeling that music evokes. And surprisingly, AI seems to have tapped into that as well. In the classical piece, there's a sense of nostalgia, a longing for times past. The jazz composition, on the other hand, exudes a playful, almost cheeky vibe, inviting us to let loose and enjoy the moment. The electronic track, with its high-energy beats and futuristic synths, evokes a sense of anticipation, a glimpse into a world yet to come. Of course, these interpretations are subjective, as is always the case with music, but the fact that we can even discuss AI-generated music in such terms is a testament to how far this technology has come. As you can see, AI is capable of producing diverse and impressive compositions. From classical symphonies to jazz improvisations and electronic beats, AI has proven itself to be a versatile composer. But more importantly, it has shown us that it can evoke emotion, provoke thought, and inspire conversation, just like any piece of music should. As we continue to explore the intersections of tech and music, one can't help but wonder, what will AI compose next? The rise of AI music brings forth a heated debate. Can AI really match the emotional depth of human composers? The question sparks passionate dialogues among music lovers and tech enthusiasts alike. On one side of the argument, we find the traditionalists, the purists who believe that music is a profoundly human endeavor. They argue that the essence of music lies in the raw emotion, the fleeting inspiration, the spontaneous bursts of creativity that are inherently human. They contend that an algorithm, no matter how sophisticated, lacks the lived experiences and emotional depth to truly understand and replicate the nuances of human emotion in music. To them, AI-composed music may mimic the structure and rhythm of human compositions, but it falls short when it comes to capturing the soul. On the other side of the debate, we have the futurists. These are the individuals who see immense potential in the marriage of technology and music. They argue that AI does not aim to replace human musicians, but to augment their creative process. They see AI as a tool, a collaborator that can help human musicians explore new frontiers of sound. To them, the emotional depth in music doesn't solely stem from the composer, but also from the listener's interpretation. Therefore, if AI-generated music moves a listener, isn't it by all means emotionally rich? And then there are those who sit in the middle, the moderates. They see the potential in AI music but also acknowledge its current limitations. They believe that AI can assist in music creation, but it cannot yet capture the full spectrum of human emotion. They foresee a future where AI and human musicians coexist, each complementing the other's strengths and compensating for their weaknesses. The debate continues, but one thing is clear: AI's role in music is expanding. As we delve deeper into this brave new world of AI-generated music, we find ourselves at a crossroads, a juncture where technology meets creativity. And at this intersection, we find a fascinating debate that will undoubtedly shape the future of music. As we look to the future, the line between AI-composed and human-composed music may become increasingly blurred. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool for creating music, it's a collaborator, a co-creator, opening up an entirely new world of musical possibilities. Just imagine an AI assistant that can provide composers with a bass track, suggest harmonies, or even collaborate in real time during live performances. The stage is set for a symphony where human creativity and artificial intelligence perform in harmony. But the potential of AI in music goes beyond the concert hall. Think about the role of AI in personalizing our music experience. A personal AI composer could curate individualized soundtracks for our lives, selecting and creating music based on our preferences, our moods, even our heartbeats. This could revolutionize not just how we create music, but how we consume it, how we live it. Yet, as with any technological advance, this brave new world of AI music comes with its fair share of questions and concerns. Will AI replace human composers? Will it dilute the emotional depth of music? Or will it, as some suggest, enhance our creative processes, leading to new, previously unimaginable soundscapes? These are questions that we, as a society, will need to grapple with as we navigate this exciting frontier. The answers may not be clear-cut, but one thing is certain: the potential of AI in music is vast and largely untapped. It's a symphony in the making, a composition still being written. The intersection of music and artificial intelligence is a space of exploration, of discovery, of innovation. It's a space where art meets science, where tradition meets technology. It's a space that promises to redefine our relationship with music in ways we can only begin to imagine. Whether we're ready or not, the age of AI music is here. As we stand at this crossroads, one thing is clear. The music world is evolving, and artificial intelligence is playing a leading role in this symphony of change. Embrace the melodies, the harmonies, and the code behind it all. For the world of AI music is not just about the future, it's about the present, and it's playing a tune that's as captivating as it is complex. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's clear that the music world is evolving. The mechanics of AI music lies in deep learning models, and AI composes music by discerning patterns in extensive datasets. AI's renditions of classical, jazz and electronic pieces leave us surprised at how closely they mimic human creativity. It is difficult to continue questioning whether AI can truly capture the emotional depth of human compositions, or if it simply offers a new tool for enhancing our creative processes. We can envisage a future where AI plays an integral role in music production, from assisting composers to generating personalized soundtracks for our daily lives. The potential of AI in music is immense, promising a revolution in the way we create and experience music. So, here's to the future of music, filled with melodies, harmonies, and a bit of code. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI and other topics. Until the next time, goodbye.